Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Fenix 7X and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this device. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired, you will need to download and install the Connect IQ store. To do it, open the App Store on your phone, tap on search, type in Garmin IQ and tap search. You should see this application called Connect IQ Store. Tap on the install button to install it. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on Open button to open the app. Here tap on Welcome. Now you can continue with the account that you used to log in the Garmin Connect application, or you can tap on Switch Accounts to switch it. I'm just gonna tap on Continue, check the boxes, and tap on Next. And here we have the store. We can basically scroll through the different categories of apps and watch faces, as you can see. Now, let's find some app. For example, I'm gonna tap on search, type in calculator, then tap search, and here we have the calculator app. Let's say I want to install it, so it's selected. Right here we have the information about the app, updates, and also we can check the list of compatible devices by tapping right here. Let's check if the Fenix 7X is on the list. And it is, so we can go back, scroll up and tap on the install button to install the app. As you can see, the app is installing. It might take some time to install the app. Sometimes it stays in queue for a long time. If the queue doesn't move, you can minimize the IQ store, open the Garmin Connect application, and that should force the watch to sync with your phone, and that would hopefully help you with installation of the application. But once the app is done installing, you can tap on Got It. That's basically the pop-up, and the install button should change to uninstall. Now we can check if the app is working. So let's press the Start/Stop button to open the favorites. Here, let's scroll down the list, and as you can see, we have the math calculator. You can tap on it to open it, and here we have the app. And it's working, as you can see. And to exit it, simply press the back button. And that's how you install applications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.